Today we're going to be updating our coconut rice recipe. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Joy and today it's all about this lovely coconut rice. I'm going to start by adding butter to my dried pan and don't worry, you're going to enjoy this recipe. And please, while you're on this video, don't forget to like, to share and to subscribe. Alright guys, enjoy. So at this point, what I usually do is that I'll bring in my rice. This rice has been washed multiple times. I've washed it and the water was running clear. I'm going to bring it in. I'm going to just fry it a little bit, allow it to cook in this sauce a little bit before I bring in my coconut milk. As for the coconut milk, you can get coconut milk in any supermarket around you, but I prefer to make my coconut myself. So I buy the fresh coconut and then I blend it and juice it out and make use of it. The reason why I like fresh coconut is that for this meal I use two big coconuts. So the thing is that I can always milk it like the coconut sharp. I can always add water to it and make sure that the only water I use for this rice is coconut water, is coconut milk. So before I add any water, I go and soak it in my coconut sharp and juice it out again and add it to the rice. That was the only water I used. So now we're going to bring in the coconut milk. This is the coconut milk. I'm going to do that. Still more of the coconut. I'm going to add more of this coconut milk. I don't think this will be enough to cook my rice. At this point, I need to go in and test. Yep. So now I'm going to bring in fish. For Nigerian coconut rice, I will advise you to use smoked prawns. I'm making use of smoked prawns because I love the flavor of prawns. It's going to be so great and it's going to be yummy. I'm also going to be making use of smoked fish. Yeah, don't forget smoked fish. So I'm making use of smoked fish. I'm making use of blended crayfish, enough blended crayfish for this meal, and enough diced onions as well. So I've cut my onions into bits and I'm going to pour them in, and I'm just going to allow this cook together. Crayfish. This is my blended good fish. At this point, you're going to cover this up and you're going to allow it to cook. But this is a secret. You check up on it, just keep checking on your rice. You don't want to leave it there to get burnt. And if you notice that the rice is still hard, it's not soft enough, keep adding coconut milk instead of water. So you just add a little bit of coconut milk. Just add it in beats until it's soft enough. So that's the secret. At this point, I'm going to cook this on very low heat. If you have your foil paper, just go ahead and cover this up. We'll be back. Yeah. If you're still on this video, don't forget to hit the like button and to subscribe and share with your loved ones as well. This rice is soft enough. This is exactly how I want it. So I'm going to go ahead and serve this now. You can serve with any extra protein of your choice. You can use roasted turkeys. You can use chicken. You can use goat's meat. Whatsoever you have, just enjoy this lovely creamy meal. Bye, guys.